Hi guys, just a quick update here for Bitcoin. We have structurally to the downside. I like what happened here. We broke the structure on the 1 hour, which is it happened right here. We broke that. So I like this one. The only problem I see here, we should zigzag our way here and go up again. Now we made a new 1 hour high here, but we lost the break of structure and we lost the value area low. So it's not in good shape. Now we're losing the momentum of the 15-minute to the downside, but that could be a nice liquidity to come and take. Um, and that's what I'm waiting for. Basically, we are rejecting from the 4 hour 618 right here is the pool from here to the low, and we are rejecting if I put back the 618 right here, and we basically that's the 6 6 and the 618 we basically came all the way up. We broke structure on the 1 hour, and then we're rejecting from it here. We made another 1 hour high, but we are rejecting from it. So I'm gonna wait. Hopefully we take it and we go back to 786 right here. uh, that's blue line right here. I'm gonna wait for it. The only thing I don't like is I told you we broke that structure. We broke structure to the upside with the volume candle, blue, green vector followed by a blue. So the volume was getting a little less, but nonetheless we closed above the break candle. So we might have just a retest here because we had a an order block here on the 1 hour, this one, and we're perfectly retesting, and we had a lot of demand to push us. Now what we need to for this demand to take us back and to break that new 1 hour. If we did that, guys, above 93.7, if we closed above and we going, I think we're gonna go to the 4 hourly high, which is at 95. And if we take that, I think we're gonna go all the way to 102 right here in this area, to that 618 pool from the last low. So from the high. So let's see what's gonna happen here. The only thing that concerned me that on Ethereum we have that momentum, no problem. I'm not worried about that, and we made a break of structure on the 15-minute, and now we're going this 15-minute, not this one. We have the low here on the 15-minute, and we have the high here, so that's good. We're basically rejecting from the 618 as well, so I'm just leaving it here to see myself. We have the daily open. If we flip the daily open, we go to 786. I think we're gonna go. We have an order block here, 30-minute order block to push us down, and 30-minute order block to push us up if we came down. But in my opinion, we cannot, on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, we cannot lose this area between the 618 and 786 that pulls from here to the last high. We cannot lose that. If we lose that, we're going to the low right here. Just let me mark this as a low right here, which is basically is the value area low of the whole range. Where's the low here? Low right here. So on Solana is what concerned me, because on Ethereum is the same thing. We broke 1 hour right here. Um, we broke that 1 hour right here, and now we're chilling above it. We never lost it. On Solana, basically is the same high here. It's where we made the 4 hour and the 1 hour high. So we didn't make a structure here to make 1 hour. I don't care about this. This is for me is not a 1 hour, and I'll show you why. We didn't have any uh, down structure to the downside, so this all just a grind to the upside. Now basically we're rejecting from the point of control of the range right here, that red, and we are getting already 786 from the 4 hour high, 1 hour high, and structurally on the 15-minute we broke structurally to the downside. So you can count this as a break. Let's go back to the 15-minute. This is an early break. So unless we come back and we take this one first, which is conflicted with point of control of the range with all this volume, we take that and we go to this 1 hour, 4 hour high, and hopefully we take that. This is concern me. Solana might dump and take everything with it, but even if it dumped, it cannot lose this box right here. We have a 3 minute order block here, but the important areas from 134 to 131. We cannot lose that at all. Um, Solana is like it's make a confluence with the S&P. The S&P basically is structurally to the downside as well. So we might go down today, guys. The stock market to the downside, Bitcoin to the downside, unless we break that 15 and we broke bullishly again. So far we're down. S&P uh, is strong, is a little bit strong. The only thing on Bitcoin, guys, we lost that SR flip as well, and we're struggling to claim it. That SR flip is the low from the June, so we have to claim that, which is we did claim it here, and we went and we break, but now we're rejecting. I have that 1 hour break here, confluent with the 618 Fibonacci is pulled from the new 1 hour to the low, 1 hour high to the low. So we need to break that no matter what happened. We need to break that to break bullishly. Let's go back to the S&P 500. The SPY is going down. We don't have structurally to the upside now. The only thing, we have a big range. We have the 15 high here and the 15 low here. Sorry, the 15 low here. So if we lose that low here, we're coming back for the low liquidity. So let's see what happened on the SPY. Um, the Nasdaq, I think, is a little bit weaker. The Nasdaq is a little bit weaker, but we have the same situation here. Uh, if we lose that low, we're going to the low, and if we go to the low, make sure you can bet on it. Bitcoin is going to the low as well, and I'll show you why I think the stock market and Bitcoin, we might dump today. So we have a 15-minute structure to the downside, 1 hour structure to the upside. So it's a bigger time frame, but that could break, because if we look at the USDD dominance, we basically structure to the upside unless we broke that. If we broke that, like basically we need to break that, which is an early break. The better break is this one right here. So we have to not bounce from the 30-minute order block here, and we go straight, maybe bounce a little bit, and then we break here. If we break here, we're going up with Bitcoin and altcoin. If not, then I think we're going down. That's my reasoning why I think we're going down, guys, today. I might be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. But the thing is telling me that uh, the structure is still to the upside, and maybe we go up on the USD dominance, which is we dump on Bitcoin, and then we go up, and this is will get loose. But we'll see. We'll take it step by step. But S&P is down, Bitcoin is down. Solana scares me because it just basically generate all this liquidity to come back to it, and it's going to be a hard dump. So is the short is on Solana today. I'm not trading Solana. I'm trading only Bitcoin. Maybe next year I'm going to be involved in trading Solana and learning the behavior. But all this is begging liquidity for the market maker to take. And if that happen, um, Bitcoin is going to go down because already structurally to the downside. We'll see what's going to happen today. Like I said, step by step. Your friend here, Melo Trade. I try to do this video every day. Is for me to learn and for you guys to get an update before the market open. And we have the live after the market close, or between 3 to 6 o'clock. I don't know when I have time to do it. If I still trading, I'm gonna do it a little bit later. If I finish trading earlier, I'll do it a little bit earlier. But your friend Melo Trade, if you like the content, like, subscribe, and just disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I do is my opinion. All my content is for entertainment and education. And that's all. Bye bye for now.